Morning! I don't know why I'm so swollen today. Maybe because I ate really late last night. Anyways, I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up for lunch. Aiden went to do a photo shoot, so he took the car out. So I'm all alone at this house. The kids are at school. I'm so hungry. I think I'm gonna eat sushi, like hand rolls. At night it's been really cold, so I finally had to turn on our heater because I can't sleep unless the room is like set at 78 or 79. I always get so cold I wake up like shivering. So after the heater has been running, like our room has been so dry, of course, so I'm back to using my humidifier. This is seriously like the best humidifier, and it's like so small and cute, so easy to clean and to fill up with water. Kids have to go get their American passports renewed soon, so oh my gosh, they're growing up so fast. Recently I purchased this Charlotte Tilbury like finishing powder. This is in the color Fair, and this is what I have on top of my foundation, and oh my gosh, I love this product. I've been loving this. I just like brush it on with powder brush. I forgot where I got this brush. It doesn't even say the brand on here. Hi! Crystal gave me these products to try out. Cleansing gel and cleansing toner. Yes, please. We got more salmon.
By two, right? Do you want me to take a photo of you? 싫어?
Can we take a photo of you? Can I get a tall iced caramel macchiato?
피곤해 보이시는데.
Okay, so I said my name was Angel, but then they wrote it as Angle.
3 different ways, actually.
Yeah, a lot of my teachers in elementary school had a hard time pronouncing my name. Just got home. Aiden's upstairs doing another photo shoot. People are here for a baby photo shoot. I have to go pick up the kids from school in about 15 minutes. So I'm just doing my Animal Crossing. Dude, this took me so long. Like, I tore down my entire island and I did a major reconstruction with like using all the castle items. He keeps like picking on his nails and he like rips it off, so it's bleeding again. I told him not to do it. If any of us gets hurt, he kind of gets excited. He's like, I want to put on the band-aid. And like runs and get the first aid kit. Actually, Yeonu's in the restroom. I thought he was in the playroom. Friday is Sanu's birthday party. He's turning 8. And then 2 days after that's gonna be Halloween.
Friday?
Yeah, it's your birthday party. Halloween coming up. They're gonna be Pokemon. And I want to be like a princess. Since my hair is short now, I was thinking maybe Snow White. I want to be Snow White. Snack bin place always gets so messy. Anyways, this was my favorite in Korea, and it's finally available here in America. So for my cheese lovers, you guys will love this. For the fish cake and the tteokbokki, this is our favorite brand, the Busan Omu. All the frozen ducks that we've tried, I think this one's the best. We get this from H Mart. We got the non-spicy gochujang.
Oh, a lot of sugar.
3 spoons of sugar.
안 그런 맛이 없어. 자, 바람, just keep it. For MSG.
딸기 우유인데?
That's not strawberry milk.
이건 라면?
Well, he looks just like Aiden right now. Yeah, more.
어?
참. 엄마도.
중요한 고추 가루.
Little bit.
and 라면.
그리고
Yummy.
What to drink? We've been loving sparkling drinks. This is my favorite, the lemonade one, and this grape one's actually really good. And then this is also good. It's like this hole here, you just open it and then you could drain it. There's like draining holes here.
영구야.
I have their forks.
떡볶이 라. 쏟았어. 우리
야.
떡볶이 들어가고 있어. 벌레다. 밥 먹는 카메라는 안 보이죠? 네, 여기 있어요. 떡볶이지 떡볶이. 이거 다 가져가지 마. 이거 다 살 거야. 면만 먹어. 네, 다
Yana
먹어봤어요.
finished.
너 배럴이랑.
So good. Ew. I'm gonna go buy my jewelry organizer. Is it heavy? $109. For Christmas, I want an espresso machine. Check out a leaf. I'll try doing this by myself. We just have to make the leg. So people would think it's just a standing mirror, but it's actually a jewelry box. Jewelry cabinet. Wow. Wow.
뭐?
Oh.
잘하네.
I love how it has so many necklace hooks. And then we have some drawers there.
이거 뭐야?
엄마 액세서리 박스. 줘. 여기 스크래치 있던데. 괜찮나? 이거 뭐?
그 결혼 반지 어디 갔어? 안 가? 안 가?
So this is what I have so far. I still need to fill it up with a few more stuff. These are my favorite ones that I wear often. Watches. I still have to find some of my earrings. This is a mixture of some of my rings and earrings. I'll do like a more in-depth tour after I fill this all up. Okay guys, I'm gonna watch a movie and then go to bed. Bye.